Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Outlook if it won't start or open in Windows 11. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, you're going to find your search bar and type down %local app data %. Okay, again, %local app data %. Click on it. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, you got to scroll down until you find Microsoft, which is right here. Double click on it and find Outlook, which is right here. Just click on it and hit on delete. And after that, go ahead and find Outlook right here in your search bar. And then go ahead and test Outlook New or Outlook Classic. Okay, you can right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. This one as well, Run as Administrator. Now, if that doesn't work, go ahead and go to your search bar and find or type down Run. Click on it. And then here, go ahead and type down Outlook.exe space / safe. There you go, and click on OK. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and click on OK. All right, and once logged in, go ahead and go to the top left, click on File. Now click on Options, and then here just click on Add-ins. Now go ahead and click on Go right here at the very bottom. Now once that's done, disable all add-ins, just like so, and then hit on OK. After that, close this one. Now go ahead and restart your computer. And after that, you should be good to go. That is how you fix Microsoft Outlook if it won't start or open in Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.